everyone, it's Guevara and I'm back with another video after 2 weeks, and I'm really excited for this video because this is my first outfit ideas or lookbook this 2021. So I hope you watch until the end because I really made an effort for this video and I hope that you'll enjoy it and appreciate it. Let me know if you want more fashion related content in the future, or what type of content would you like to see more of. And I'll also be sharing my advice or my opinion on how to dress effortlessly and about finding your own aesthetic or styles. I'll also be putting a quick description of all the clothes that I'll be wearing in the description box below. Yeah, without further ado, let's get started! Next is my usual go-to outfit, which is a plain white shirt and high-waist jeans. Also like wearing monochromatic outfits, so I also pair white tops with white or beige pants. If you find this top too short or cropped, or if it's against the dress code of your school and you don't want to wear a jacket or something, you could also layer it under a dress. And because I love all white and monochrome, the next outfit is another all white OOTD. On tamad days, I also like wearing gingham skirts with turtleneck tops so I don't have to wear a jacket anymore. You could also pair turtlenecks with rompers like this next outfit. But knowing the weather, especially during the summer, I also like wearing black tank tops and matching it with loose pants for that comfy feels. Next set of outfits is me wearing this really comfortable shorts with white tops, of course. That is also perfect for hot sunny days or pag wala ka talaga maisip na suotin or when you're in a hurry or something. Okay, so now let's talk about how to dress effortlessly. For me, I think it's a matter of the collection of clothes that you have. So I suggest keeping and only purchasing clothes that you can imagine yourself wearing for the next 5 to 10 years. Or basta, for as long as you can. Clothing pieces that you can match with most of your wardrobe pieces. Those type of clothes will last you for years, if not for many months, which I'll also be mentioning in my upcoming video, which is gonna be about the I'll also be talking about that in depth in my next video, which is gonna be a closet essentials guide. So I hope you stay tuned for that. Number 2, invest in clothes that you really like and you feel confident and happy wearing. I think dressing up is also influenced by the way you feel about the things or the clothes or the pieces that you have. Like, it affects your motivation in a way kasi you're more parang inspired to dress up. Our sense of fashion is closely related to our identity. I believe that it's also a form of self-expression. It's how we present ourselves. When it comes to finding your own aesthetic or style, my main tip is that it all boils down to what makes you feel confident and empowered. Kasi as I said earlier, fashion is one way of expressing yourself. So example, for me, I'm really inclined to neutrals and basics. I try to incorporate colors from time to time. As you can see in my quarantine lookbook that I posted on IG a few months back when quarantine was starting pa lang. Parang it's like exploring a new genre. But at the end of the day, I still go back to neutrals and mga basics like black, white, beige, ganun. And also kasi when I was younger, my mom used to dress me up. As I was getting older, parang the simpler I dress up na rin. Pero I'm still very much into accessories, kaya I have a lot of piercing, actually on my right ear, tapos 2 on my left. And I'm really happy about it. And lastly is, as tempting as it is to buy trendy clothes or what's most likely pagsasawaan mo after a few years, a few months, or as much as we get boodled by famous IG influencers, it's important to consider your own style, your own like taste, or how you want to express yourself, and choose your clothes wisely. And also support sustainability by buying from thrifted and pre-loved shops or clothes like mine. My pre-loved clothing account is called beige. I mentioned this on my desk tour video. It's one way of decluttering and at the same time practicing sustainability kasi it may not be useful to me anymore, but I hope that it would serve its purpose to the next user. Yeah, thank you for watching. Sasha says bye.